Flames suddenly erupt from the grease pan, threatening to consume the entire kitchen in a matter of seconds. Panic sets in as you realize that pouring water will only cause a catastrophic explosion. You reach for a chemical fire extinguisher, but its toxic foam ruins everything it touches and leaves a hazardous mess behind. But right there, hidden in plain sight inside a simple cardboard box, lies an ancient, naturally occurring mineral that smothers the inferno instantly. By rapidly cutting off the oxygen supply and absorbing intense heat, this white powder acts as a primal, life-saving fire retardant. You have been led to believe that you need an arsenal of expensive, toxic modern chemicals to protect your home and your family. The truth is, modern consumerism has deliberately made you forget a survival element mined from the harsh, dried salt lakes of the desert thousands of years ago. Scientifically known as sodium borate, your ancestors simply knew it as borax. This is not just a laundry booster or a cheap cleaning alternative. It is a fundamental tool for human survival and household supremacy that has been systematically hidden from your daily routine. Let us look beyond the immediate danger of a kitchen fire and examine the hidden vulnerabilities you wear every day. Imagine standing over a blazing backyard grill, wearing a standard cotton apron that is essentially a tragic accident waiting for a stray spark. By combining 1 tablespoon of this mineral with an equal part of boric acid in a cup of water, you can engineer a highly effective flame-resistant barrier. Soaking your aprons, oven mitts, or pot holders in this solution for 15 minutes completely alters the fabric's physical vulnerability. Once dried, this invisible, chemical-free shield prevents flames from catching, giving you absolute control and safety over extreme heat. But the most terrifying threats to your family are often not the raging fires you can see, but the silent, microscopic invaders you cannot. Microscopic predators like dust mites and lice breed relentlessly in the very carpets and bedding where your children sleep, feeding off dead skin and causing chronic allergies. Commercial chemical sprays only poison the air in your living space, but this primal mineral offers a ruthless mechanical execution. When you sprinkle a thin layer onto your carpets, upholstery, or mattresses, its microscopic crystalline structure goes to work immediately. It acts as a deadly abrasive, physically shredding the exoskeletons of these parasites, while its unique alkaline toxicity destroys their eggs completely. After letting it sit for 20 minutes, a simple vacuuming eradicates the entire infestation, leaving behind a truly sterile sanctuary without a single drop of synthetic poison. Yet, the ultimate paradox of this primal element is its profound dual nature. While it destroys pests and neutralizes fire with ruthless efficiency, it possesses a miraculous ability to heal and restore the human body. During the harsh winter months, or after subjecting your skin to brutal modern detergents, your hands become chapped, cracked, and painfully dry. Instead of relying on expensive, chemical-laden lotions that only temporarily coat the skin's surface, you can utilize its natural water-softening properties. Dissolving a tablespoon of this mineral alongside baking soda in a basin of warm water creates a deeply soothing, therapeutic soak. Immersing your damaged hands in this alkaline oasis for 10 minutes neutralizes the harsh acids on your skin, reduces painful inflammation, and restores your skin's natural softness from within. While this ancient mineral acts as an impenetrable shield against flames and invisible parasites, its true transformative power lies in its ability to resurrect the dead, decaying, and rotting objects you thought were lost forever. The elements of nature are ruthless, constantly breaking down the structures we build to protect our families. Moisture and microscopic fungi silently devour the wooden foundations of your outdoor furniture, decks, and fences, turning solid timber into crumbling dust. Modern sealants are packed with volatile organic compounds that poison your environment and eventually fail under the relentless assault of weather. But applying a profound mixture of 1 cup of this elemental salt dissolved in a single gallon of water creates an impenetrable antifungal fortress. By brushing this generous solution deep into the pores of untreated or exposed wood, you disrupt the life cycle of decay-causing organisms at a cellular level. As the water evaporates, it leaves behind a permanent, microscopic armor of boron that halts the process of rot in its tracks. Your wooden structures are instantly resurrected, remaining sturdy, attractive, and free from decay for decades to come. This same relentless oxidation process targets the heavy metal tools you rely on for survival and sustenance. Your expensive barbecue tools and essential garden implements are constantly under attack from humidity, forming a destructive layer of rust that ruins their structural integrity. You do not need to endlessly replace these vital instruments or scrub them with harsh, toxic abrasives. By dissolving 1 mere tablespoon of this mineral in a quart of warm water, you create a neutralizing wash that immediately halts oxidation. Wiping your clean, dry tools with this solution leaves a formidable, invisible barrier against moisture. For an absolute guarantee of preservation, simply scattering this dry powder inside their storage containers will aggressively absorb the ambient humidity, ensuring your gear remains razor-sharp and immune to the elements. Yet, the most insidious enemy lurking in the dark, damp corners of your home is not rust, but the silent, creeping invasion of black mold and toxic mildew. These fungal spores breed aggressively in the shadows of your crawl spaces, along the seams of your shower curtains, and deep within the crevices of your garden tools, releasing allergens that compromise your respiratory system. The highly alkaline nature of sodium borate, naturally hovering at a pH of around 9.3, makes it a lethal, inescapable environment for these fungal spores. Mixing a cup of this potent powder with a gallon of warm water equips you with a devastating antifungal weapon. Spraying this potent elixir onto the walls, beams, and floors of your damp crawl spaces forms a permanent, toxic wasteland for mold, effectively sanitizing the air your family breathes. Submerging a heavily infested shower curtain in this exact same bath for 15 minutes completely dissolves the slimy, hazardous buildup, restoring it to a pristine state without the overwhelming stench of industrial bleach. This incredible resurrecting power extends far beyond the dark corners, reaching into the very fabrics and surfaces you use daily to cleanse your body. Your heavy bath towels, once thick and vibrant, eventually become stiff, faded, and coated in an invisible layer of hard water minerals and detergent sludge. Adding half a cup of this alkaline miracle to your washing machine fundamentally alters the chemistry of the water itself. It chemically softens the hard water, binding to the calcium and magnesium ions, and aggressively strips away the suffocating residue trapped deep within the fibers. Our ancestors knew that soaking severely degraded towels in a hot bath of this solution for an hour would trigger a massive release of trapped grime. Once dried, these dead fabrics are miraculously brought back to life, appearing vividly brighter and feeling luxuriously softer against your skin. The exact same chemical reaction annihilates the stubborn, hardened scum that bonds to your porcelain sinks and bathtubs. Its natural crystalline structure acts as a gentle yet ruthless abrasive that physically cuts through hardened grime without ever scratching the delicate surfaces beneath. Creating a thick paste with a few tablespoons of water, or combining it with the natural citric acid of lemon juice, forms an unstoppable stain-erasing compound. Scrubbing this primal mixture in circular motions for 15 minutes literally lifts years of discoloration and soap scum from the porcelain, restoring a blinding, spotless shine to your sanctuary. While this ancient salt breathes new life into the decaying materials of your home, it possesses an even darker, more lethal application when deployed against the relentless armies of the insect and plant kingdoms. The modern homeowner is locked in an endless toxic war against the resilient hordes of cockroaches and ants. You spray expensive, carcinogenic neurotoxins into the very air your children breathe, only to see the invaders return stronger. Yet, strategically deploying sodium borate transforms your home into a lethal, invisible minefield for these ancient scavengers. By mixing a single tablespoon of this primal mineral with an equal part of ordinary sugar and a few drops of water, you create an irresistible, deadly bait. The sugar acts as a flawless Trojan horse, drawing the scouts in to feast and carry the payload back to the heart of their colony. Once ingested, the microscopic, jagged crystalline structure of the mineral unleashes absolute devastation from within. It physically tears through their delicate digestive tracts while simultaneously interfering with their biological metabolism, effectively starving the entire colony to extinction. This ruthless natural method eradicates severe infestations at their very source, keeping your fortress secure without ever compromising the health of your pets or family. This ecological mastery extends far beyond the kitchen, reaching deep into the delicate balance of your living spaces and backyard gardens. Carpet beetles relentlessly devour the natural fibers of your home, their larvae destroying expensive heirlooms and rugs in the shadows. A generous, strategic dusting of this ancient powder across your carpets and beneath your heavy furniture weaponizes the very ground they crawl upon. The abrasive dust severely damages their protective exoskeletons, rapidly drawing out their vital bodily fluids until they completely desiccate and die. Stepping outside into your garden, you face the silent, nocturnal devastation caused by relentless slugs that strip your crops bare. Instead of pouring highly toxic, synthetic molluscicides into the soil that feeds your family, you can deploy a pristine, dehydrating barrier. Sprinkling a thin, tactical line of this mineral around the perimeter of your vulnerable plants creates a harsh, alkaline boundary that slugs simply cannot cross. It aggressively attacks their protective slimy coating, utilizing extreme cellular dehydration to repel them instantly and preserve your hard-earned harvest. But the true dominance of this primal element is revealed when you face the aggressive, suffocating invasion of unwanted weeds. Commercial herbicides contaminate the groundwater and poison the earth, leaving a legacy of chemical destruction in your yard. You possess the power to harness a natural, targeted desiccant by meticulously mixing 10 ounces of this mineral into 2.5 gallons of water. When strategically sprayed directly onto the leaves of persistent weeds during a hot, sunny day, the sodium content initiates a catastrophic cellular disruption. The intense solar heat violently accelerates the mineral's natural drying process, completely destroying the invasive plant's cellular structure and neutralizing the threat without poisoning your surrounding lawn. Even the airborne threats that disrupt your outdoor sanctuary can be controlled with precise, non-lethal sensory manipulation. Bees attempting to colonize your wooden decks or patios rely heavily on delicate pheromone trails and chemical signals to navigate and communicate. A simple dissolved solution of 1 tablespoon of this salt in warm water, fortified with a few drops of dish soap, acts as a profound sensory disruptor. Spraying this harmless deterrent under railings and furniture effectively scrambles their navigational signals, forcing them to relocate their hives without harming the crucial global pollinator population. While this desert mineral effortlessly commands the microscopic and botanical forces of nature, its most intimate power lies in its ability to completely eradicate the foul, unseen gases and impurities that corrupt the very air you breathe and the fabrics that touch your skin. The air inside your home is quietly being corrupted by an invisible, foul-smelling bacterial ecosystem. Sweat, moisture, and dead skin cells fester inside your favorite shoes and heavy winter mattresses, creating a toxic breeding ground for odor-causing pathogens. Modern aerosol sprays merely mask these putrid smells with synthetic perfumes, allowing the underlying bacteria to multiply exponentially. But deploying a heavy dusting of this desert salt directly into your boots or across your bare mattress overnight unleashes a ruthless purification process. The extreme alkaline nature of sodium borate aggressively absorbs the trapped moisture and completely neutralizes the biological waste left behind by microbial life. By morning, a simple shake or a quick pass with a vacuum removes the dead bacteria and the powder, leaving a sterile, genuinely odorless environment. This exact same chemical dominance eradicates the nauseating stench trapped within your garbage cans and the dark, greasy depths of your kitchen drains. Pouring half a cup of this mineral directly down a clogged, foul-smelling pipe, followed by a torrent of boiling water, triggers a violent breakdown of congealed fats and rotting organic matter. The blockage is obliterated, and the suffocating odors are instantly neutralized without melting your plumbing with industrial acids. This purifying power transcends basic odor control and fundamentally resurrects the very fibers that protect your body. Your washing machine is fighting a losing battle against hard water minerals that trap dirt and dull the vibrant colors of your clothing. Adding half a cup of this ancient mineral to your laundry acts as a supreme detergent booster, softening the harsh water and forcing the fabric to release deeply embedded grime. Instead of relying on toxic, skin-irritating chemical softeners, mixing this salt with white vinegar creates a pristine, eco-friendly conditioning rinse that eliminates static and restores natural softness. It even possesses the miraculous ability to lock color into newly dyed fabrics by stabilizing the chemical bonds when soaked in a warm bath. If you require the crisp, professional finish of traditional laundry starch without the synthetic stiffness, a light mist of this dissolved solution before ironing delivers an immaculate structured hold to your collars and table linens. The heart of your home, the kitchen, is a battleground of baked-on grease, stained porcelain, and cross-contamination. Your expensive cookware and sensitive meat thermometers become coated in dangerous, hardened food residue that ordinary soap cannot penetrate. Creating a thick, abrasive paste from this mineral provides a heavy-duty scouring agent that effortlessly cuts through burnt carbon and grease without ever scratching your valuable metal or glass surfaces. Even the dingy, blackened grout lines between your tiles surrender their trapped dirt when confronted with this potent alkaline scrub, returning your kitchen to a state of absolute, sparkling sanitation. A simple wipe down with this dissolved solution completely sanitizes the interior of your refrigerator, eliminating sticky spills and the lingering odors of decaying food. Beyond the harshness of cleaning, this primal element holds the delicate power to suspend time and preserve natural beauty. Freshly cut flowers inevitably rot and wither, their vibrant colors lost to the rapid decay of organic moisture. By carefully burying these blooms in a sealed container filled with a blend of this mineral and cornmeal, you initiate a rapid, flawless desiccation process. Over 2 weeks, the powder flawlessly extracts every drop of water while perfectly maintaining the cellular structure and brilliant pigments of the petals. This exact mastery over organic chemistry even extends to the earth itself, where a light dusting over your garden compost pile balances the pH levels and accelerates the breakdown of organic matter into rich, life-giving soil. Finally, after a long day of surviving and mastering your environment, this miraculous powder offers the ultimate physical restoration. Dissolving half a cup into your evening bath physically alters the water, neutralizing harsh minerals and transforming your tub into a deeply therapeutic, skin-softening sanctuary. You now possess the forbidden knowledge of an ancient mineral that modern industries desperately wanted you to forget. You have the power to protect your family, purify your environment, and optimize your survival without relying on toxic chemicals. The choice to reclaim your independence and master your household begins right now. Subscribe to Primal Methods to unlock the raw, unfiltered survival secrets that will elevate your existence and keep you steps ahead of the modern world.